Well, guys, it looks like we got another package to open. And this is actually a much bigger box than I was expecting, because I only ordered one device, so yeah, I guess we'll just have to see what's inside. So yeah, let's get right into it. Gotta do the fancy cut open shot or whatever. Alright, I kind of went to town on it with these pliers, so let's go ahead and open this up. And there it is. Looks like the box got open, but seems to be packaged well. And yeah, here's our device. Look at that. That is crazy cool. That is super duper cool looking. This is a very rare Faraday remote strobe. And the reason it's super rare is it has the wall mount strobe on a ceiling mount. And this is actually factory made like this. As you can see, it has a Faraday logo written on the side. And the model number for this is 5518. But if you look at the box, the label says Faraday 5518B on it. Meaning that this was probably some sort of special order model number. Meaning this guy is exceptionally rare. Yeah, and it's also brand new in box like this. This is insanely cool. So yeah, that's probably gonna be it for this video. This is probably an invoice, it looks like. Yep, got an invoice. And I think that's everything in the box here. Actually got some packing peanuts. It's kind of nice. I might be able to use these. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah.